guys! สวัสดีค่ะ Today I will make soy milk. How hard to make soy milk? I don't think it's hard because I can do it, you can do it. So the ingredients that I use for today, of course, soybean. I soak it overnight in water. This is drink water. And this pandan leaf and sugar and salt. Let's make soy milk. If you've come to Thailand, you may have seen a lot of street vendor in the morning selling soy milk and deep fried Chinese breadstick. Sometimes we can add some topping in soy milk like boiled job's tears or red kidney bean, jelly made from agar-agar powder and hairy basil seed. For me, I prefer just only soy milk and add some sugar, and then I just enjoy my soy milk. Hope you like it.